guys, welcome to my channel Beta Life Vlog, and I'm Arsenia Chudosho. Today I will show you how to make sauce for our pan grilled barbecue chicken. So I have a chicken breast here. I cut it into bite size. And then we have also ingredients for our sauce: lemon juice, garlic powder, black pepper, Italian herbs, chicken seasoning, Dijon mustard, barbecue sauce. We will use also a dash of salt, worcestershire sauce, and soy sauce. So we start mixing, guys, our sauce for our pan grilled chicken. First, we put in our mixing bowl is a small amount of Dijon mustard. Next is the chicken seasoning, Italian herbs, Worcestershire, our barbecue sauce, next is our garlic powder, and then black pepper, next is our soy sauce, and then our lemon juice. We will just give a whisk for this one to incorporate our ingredients. And additional to our ingredients is a little amount of honey. We will use honey for this. Small amount only, just to cut the salty taste of our ingredients. Our sauce is ready, so we will pour it now to our chicken. Sauce is ready, so we will pour it now in our chicken. We will marinate this one for 20 minutes or more if you're not in a hurry. Okay, we will sit aside for the meantime, guys, and then we will come back to this when it's ready. Let's start grilling now, guys, our marinated barbecue chicken. In our pan, we will put a little olive oil, or any kind of oil you have there is okay. We will just wait this one to become smoky. We will grill 3 minutes to 4 minutes per side. We will not throw this excess marination because later on we will simmer this one to become a glaze for our barbecue chicken. Let's try to turn now, guys, our chicken. For our excess sauce, we will simmer in the pan. Until it will become slightly thick. We will just mix this one so the little sauce will just like a glaze to our barbecue chicken. Here it is now, guys, our pan grilled barbecue chicken. Hope you enjoyed viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, Better Life Vlog. Thank you and God bless.